Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word rubby in depth. First, the definition. Rubby means tired or worn out. Think of it simply as feeling like an old worn out shoe. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Rubby originated in early 20th century British English as slang for exhausted or shabby. Over time, it's been used by British speakers to describe tiredness and wear. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use rubby in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. After the long hike, I felt completely rubby and ready to rest. Correct example 2. I was so rubby after the party that I fell asleep early. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to rubby my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using rubby correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Rubby means tired or worn out. It comes from early 20th century British slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with rubby down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.